So, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, grade 8. How are
Let's
you?
go to review A, Master.
Today we're going to continue the past part 3. The past lessons we have gone over coordinating conjunctions, and we're going to finish talking about subordinating conjunctions today. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm going to be doing the lesson today with Mr. Omar.
Hi, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, Master.
And we hope you enjoy today's lesson. So we're going to be starting with, or continuing, sorry, with subordinating conjunctions.
Sorry, change your name.
And that word here, last lesson, just to quickly go over a subordinate conjunction. So we have a subordinate clause, or remember it's a dependent clause, which is the more practical use of the name, cannot stand by itself as a sentence. A subordinate clause has a subject and a verb, but does not express a complete thought. Okay, so remember, until the sun sets, it's not a complete thought, so we need some more information. Then we talk about a independent clause joined with the subordinate clause to create a complex sentence. So independent clause, the temperature drops, and the subordinate clause, when the wind blew.
And together they make a complex clause.
Yes.
Complex sentence, sorry. All right. So, can somebody quickly, I have Naif on my list now. Naif, can you quickly tell us the difference between compound sentence and complex sentence? So we need to differentiate between two types of sentences here, Naif. All right?
Yes.
So the first type is compound sentence, and the second type is complex. Can you tell us the difference between the two?
I wasn't there in the live
Okay, okay. So it's okay, love, but you said you watched the video.
Yes, but I didn't
Okay, I'm gonna have to move to
last one or
Abdulaziz.
two.
Abdulaziz, can you help us?
Yes.
Can you tell us the difference between complex sentence and a compound sentence?
Yes.
Yes, please do.
شو اسمه? Yes. An independent clause and a subordinate clause. This is complex.
Yeah, and how do I know that this is an independent clause and this is subordinate clause? So
An
for example,
independent clause.
I'm gonna give you I'm gonna give you these two sentences, all right? And you have to explain and decide which is which.
Okay.
Right? So, for example, Naif has joined us this morning, so we all feel happy for that. When Naif joined us, we all felt happy. All right? Yes, Aziz.
Okay.
The first
Second
sentence.
one. Okay. First, yes.
Yeah.
This is, I think, compound.
No.
Compound clause. Why? Because we have two clauses. The first one is Naif joined us this morning, and the second clause is we all feel happy for that, right? And
Yes.
how are they joined, Aziz?
By a conjunction
And what type of conjunction?
from the fanboys.
Yes, can you remind us with the fanboys?
If equal
If
for
for, A for and, N for nor,
but
yeah, B for but, B for but,
or
O for or,
O for or, very good,
for Y for yet,
Y
Yet.
for yet,
so
very good, Hamad, thank you, and S for so.
so
So, can you give us a very simple rule here, Aziz?
Mister, the blue color is not clear with the screen.
Oh, really?
Yes.
So I'm gonna have to change.
No.
What color is
It's clear. Mister, it's clear. Just move it a little bit to the right to get in the black.
Oh, here, yeah, all right. I'm trying to do
Yes.
that. All right, boys.
It's okay. It's okay.
So is it okay
Just like
this?
this. Yes.
No,
Yes.
good.
Thank you for pointing this out, Hamad. Yeah.
Welcome.
So which sentence, Naif? Can I talk to Naif for a minute, boys? And then I'm gonna move to Yahya.
Okay.
Sorry about breaking the turn, but these boys weren't with us yesterday. So,
Okay.
Naif Habibi, look at the first sentence here. Can you see? Can you see where I'm pointing? And look at the first sentence here.
Yes, Naif has joined us this morning.
Very good.
So we all feel happy for that.
Very good. What type of conjunction have we used to join the two sentences?
I think
How did we join the two clauses? Sorry. How did we join the two clauses?
by conjunction.
What type of conjunction? What type of conjunction, Naif?
Fun.
Naif? Naif, hello? Yahya. So I'm going to have to use to move to Yahya. Yahya, love.
I can't.
Yes.
What type of conjunction have we used?
Sir,
use
now
the
say that
so.
he can hear.
What's that?
Korean conjunction.
We use so.
Naif.
Yes.
I love you, Yahya. So we use so, and so is what type of conjunction?
Excuse me. It's a coordinate conjunction.
It's a coordinating conjunction. It's coordinating conjunction. Why is it called coordinating conjunction? Can somebody from your
Because it's supposed because
have to move
from the farm boys.
Mu'taz. Sorry, Yahya. I'm gonna get back to you.
Yes.
Yeah. Take it, sir.
Mu'taz,
Yes.
can you tell us, love? Can you tell us what? Why do we call this a coordinating conjunction?
Coordinating.
Because it's one of the fanboys, right? And what
Yes.
do the fanboys do? They connect two clauses,
They
right?
connect to independent clauses.
Very good. And these two clauses are called independent clauses. I love you, man. I love you. Very good. How about the second sentence, Amouri Habibi? Amouri. Yahya, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna get back to you in a minute. Amouri
Yeah,
Habibi.
okay.
Omar. Omar. Oh.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Omar Habibi. Can you read the second sentence for us?
When Naif joined us, we all felt happy.
Yeah, very good. What type of sentence is this? Is it compound or complex? Is it
Compound.
compound or complex?
Compound.
Yeah, why is it compound?
Because we it have
You have
because
two
when
clauses,
Mr.
right?
Yes,
What-
Naif joined us and we
What are
all
the
felt happy.
What are the two clauses here?
Naif joined us and we all felt happy.
Very good. So Naif joined us, and the two clauses are joined with what?
When
And when is a coordinating conjunction or subordinating conjunction?
what, Mr.?
When is a
Yes.
coordinating conjunction is one of the fanboys, or a subordinating conjunction?
A subordinating conjunction.
What are the subordinating conjunction? Mr. Anthony will tell you in a minute. All right, boys? So,
And Mr. We can put the opposite sentence,
Yeah.
like
So yeah, guys, just to clarify that's complex because it's not using the fanboys. It's using
Yes.
when, which is a subordinating conjunction.
yeah, and we said that yesterday. We spoke about subordinating conjunction yesterday. And I would strongly urge those who haven't joined yesterday's class to watch the video. Please watch the video. And if you have any question, let us know tomorrow, inshallah. All right. So we're going to continue with Mr. Anthony here.
I have a question, Mr.
Yes, Aziz.
Can you tell us what's all the coordinate conjunction and what's
Yes,
all
yes,
the
sure,
subordinating?
Habibi. You have the PowerPoint. Yeah, these are the subordinating conjunction now.
So if these words are joining two sentences together, then it's going to be a complex sentence.
We have
Because
to memorize this.
you don't have to memorize this, but it is good to know. Well,
Yeah, it's not one of the fanboys.
it's not one of the fanboys. So if it's not a fanboys, then it is a subordinating conjunction, okay? And this will be used for complex sentences. But yeah, I mean, take a note of these ones. We have
I have a
as,
question.
before, since, when, which we just used, although, if, unless, whenever, because, once, until, and while.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a question, Mr.
Yes.
Ante. Do we use these spring conjunctions at the beginning of the sentence?
No, like Omar said yesterday, we can use it in the middle of the sentence or at the beginning of the sentence. If you use it in the middle of the sentence, you don't need a comma. But if you use it at the beginning of the sentence, you need a comma.
Oh, okay.
Mr. I have also a question.
Yes.
Any word that when it's written, it lets you expect another sentence. That is a subordinate.
Yeah. Very good, Aziz. Because actually, it's at the beginning of a subordinating clause. So the meaning is not complete unless you have the second sentence. Okay, Aziz.
Okay.
Yes, that's a very good point, Aziz. Okay, so let's take examples. Anthony?
Which subordinating conjunction is used depends on how the two clauses relate to each other. So here, independent clause, the band played. We're using the subordinating conjunction when the football team scored, which is the subordinate clause. So when here tells when the band played, okay? Because the band played when, we want to know, and that's when is the subordinating conjunction. It tells when the band played. So let's move on. I have to watch my sister until my mother gets home. Now, this is a time time clause. Yeah, because
I have
we
a
know
question.
that we're talking about time. So,
Mr.
yes, Aziz.
So subordinate conjunction before it is an independent clause and after it is a subordinate clause.
Yeah. Because
Every time.
as I told you, normally, not normally, always, a subordinating conjunction comes at the beginning of a subordinating clause. All right. So the other clause must be the independent one. Right. You
Mr.
are. Right. You are.
Very good question.
But Mr. Can a subordinating conjunction come in the middle of the sentence or in the middle of the subordinating
Yeah,
clause?
it's in the middle here, Hamid. Look here.
It always comes straight after the subordinate conjunction. So subordinate clause will follow right after you have the subordinate conjunction. Okay, so you can know that what comes after the subordinate conjunction is the subordinate clause.
It's okay if I use, if it's okay, if, for example, I say, when the football team scored, the band played.
Yes,
Yeah.
you're right. When the football, but in this case, who's speaking? Sorry, Naif?
Yahya.
No, Yahya.
Yahya. Yes, Yahya. But in this case, Habibi, in this case, you are absolutely right. Right, you are Yahya. But in this case, we're gonna have to use a comma. Can you say your sentence again, Yahya? You start with a capital letter, of course. When
the football team scored,
football team scored.
the band
In this
played.
case, we're gonna have to add what, Yahya?
A comma.
Yes, but only one comma. I'm
Yeah.
only exaggerating it. Okay, so and of course you're gonna have to use a small or start the second clause after the comma with a small letter
Small letter.
or with a lowercase letter. The band played, and then a full stop, and now we have a complex sentence.
Mr.
Now
we
we
only
have
have
a
4
complex
minutes left.
sentence here.
We have 4 minutes left only. Can we cook?
No, don't worry. We are together until 12. It's okay now.
Oh, 12 I have a class, mister.
Okay.
Yes,
You can join
12.
the other class right away. It's only for half an hour, for God's sake.
We need a break, mister.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna give you 5 minutes break. By the way, I wrote this line.
The schedule it's written 12 and a half.
Did you know that I bought
See
a line
the schedule.
today so that we are not running out of time?
See the schedule, mister. It's not my problem. See the schedule. It's from the administration. not me.
Okay. Let's go straight to the next slide, Mr. Anthony.
Mr. The schedule says Arabic is from
Yes.
9 to 9:30, biology from 10 to 10:30, English from 11 to 11:30, math.
Yes.
But we started late because I was helping out other teachers.
Not our problem. Not our problem.
It's your problem. He's teaching.
That's
You
your
were-
problem. Thank
Mister,
you. That's very helpful.
You were 2 minutes late only. 2 minutes late.
Okay. So, Mr. Anthony.
Okay. Writers place the subordinate clause in different places depending on which idea they want to emphasize.
Yeah.
So we can either, like Yahya said before, we can, change the sentence structure
Yeah.
depending on
Like Yahya said.
depending on what we want to mean.
To
So
stress,
So what comes at the end of the sentence
Normally.
is the most important part of the sentence, right? So let's have a look. So the first one, although she had never been married, comma, Miss Havisham wore her wedding dress. Or we can have it the other way around. Miss Havisham wore her wedding dress, although she had never been married. Do you guys understand? So the subordinate
Yeah.
clause there is switched.
Yeah.
Here comes last is the one that readers will focus on.
Because normally, Anthony, even on a sentence level, when I'm talking to you, for example, like I'm going to go out. I'm going to go out now. I'm going to kick Aziz out of the class. I'm going to kick out.
Yes, please do.
So where
All will do.
the most
Bullying.
information,
Yes.
the last part. You
I
know
fight
where-
with logic.
Normally, the subject and the verb are not the information that the listener is looking for. Normally, a piece of information at the end of the sentence is what
Question.
the listener is looking
Question.
for. Yes,
Question.
yes, Aziz.
Mister, so when you use the subordinate clause at the beginning, you should use a comma after it, not a
Yes,
subordinate.
that's absolutely right. And in this case, can you see my pointer, my cursor here?
So you make
See
the
where I'm
subordinate.
pointing, Aziz.
Yes, you make the subordinate conjunction first, and you put at the end a comma. If it's first.
Yeah, very good. So
Very good.
She used although, which is a subordinate conjunction,
In this case, we use
and then a comma.
very good. But if
Always
the
like that.
conjunction is in the middle, we don't use a comma, like the case in the second sentence here, Aziz.
Okay.
Okay, thank you for this question. Yes. Okay. So, yes.
In the corresponding
Subordinate-
conjunction.
Sorry, say that again.
In the corresponding conjunction, for example, if I say
Of course. Because we don't
No, no.
choose the proper conjunction based on the relationship between the two sentences. We discussed this yesterday, unfortunately.
yeah, I know, but I'm saying, for example, the corresponding conjunction, it has to be in the middle or it can be in the beginning.
No, it depends which piece of information you want to emphasize, Yahya. If you want to emphasize the subordinate clause, so the subordinate clause comes in the middle, the subordinating conjunction comes in the middle with its clause, of course. But if you want to stress the independent clause comes after a comma at the end of the sentence. Have you got it, Yahya?
Yeah, thank you.
Cool.
Mister, can
Thank
you
you,
give me
Yahya.
a minute to go to the bathroom? I come back.
Okay.
Just one minute.
So to continue, a
Let's
subordinate
finish.
clause can also be placed between the subject and the verb.
Yeah.
So here we've rearranged the sentence and we've used commas. So when you have the subordinate subordinate clause between the subject and a verb. So the subject is Miss Havisham, and the verb is wore her wedding dress. So we've put in the subordinate clause directly in the middle. We need to have comma before this subordinate clause and after. So we have, what's else? Miss Havisham, although she had never been married, wore her wedding dress. So the stress is changed here, and I guess, do we make it more important? The subordinate clause sounds a little bit more, because it has 2 commas. I don't know.
Yeah, but we don't make the subordinate clause. Rather, we want to emphasize the fact that she wore her wedding dress.
Yes.
Yeah?
Mister, my father is calling me. Are you gonna go, okay?
Okay, love, okay. Saud Adil is also with us. Okay, why? Saud Adil and South Turkey. Saud Adil. Yeah.
I'm back, Mister.
So,
Mister,
I'm back, Mister.
let's
is my
practice.
mouse?
Let's practice right away, boys. So, next on my list is Muhammad Al-Jibreen. Muhammad Jibreen.
Yes.
He's saying in
yes.
the chat, yes.
Muhammad. Oh. Okay, I'm gonna have to move on to Turkey.
Turkey isn't here.
South Turkey, sorry, South Turkey.
He can't speak, I think.
Faisal Talal. Faisal,
You mean Saleh? Faisal Saleh?
who's joining us? Faisal Saleh or Faisal Talal?
Saleh, not Talal.
Faisal Saleh? Faisal Talal, sorry.
Yes, yes.
Can you read the question and then try and answer the question? So read the top part, please.
Okay. Combine each pair of sentence by using subordinating conjunction to turn one of these the sentence into
A subordinate clause.
subordinate clause.
So here's your plan, Faisal. First, understand the meaning of the 2 sentences. All right. Second, decide on the relationship between the 2 sentences. Third, number 3, decide on the proper coordinating conjunction, and then decide on the arrangement in which you're gonna put your sentence in. All right.
Okay.
Can you read the sentence for us, please?
Most animals come in different size.
Very good.
None vary in size as much as dogs.
What's the relationship between the 2 sentences here? Most animals come in different sizes. None vary in size as much as dogs.
You can use more than one subordinating conjunction here.
Yeah.
So you can use it at the start of the sentence. You could use it in the middle of the sentence, depending on how you want to phrase the sentence. So there's more than one answer. We just have to remember which type of sentence it is. Is it a cause and effect? Is it an addition? Is it some more information?
But we don't need addition here.
Sorry.
Because addition, in this case, we're going to have to use and.
Yeah, no,
but
sorry.
and is not here because we need.
So try and think of one of the subordinating clauses that we just looked at before.
What's the relationship? Okay, raise your hands. Everybody, raise your hands. Raise your hands if you want to participate and tell us what's the relationship. Here, I've got Abdulaziz bin Jama. Yes, Abdulaziz bin Jama. Oh, so I've got Abdulaziz and Hamad and Omar also. Yes, Abdulaziz.
Yes. Yes.
What's the relationship between the 2 sentences here? I've got Yahya.
The first question.
Yeah.
They are no, they're not parallel.
They are not parallel. Yes, they are not. So I'm gonna have to move to Omar. Omar, what's your take on this?
Number 1.
Yeah, number 1.
most animals come in different size. None vary in size as much as dogs.
What's the relationship between the two sentences here?
Mr. I know.
Okay,
Most
Yahya.
animals come in
Yahya.
different size.
Yes.
Although, Mister.
Although, yes, very good. So the
Yes.
relationship is a
I
contrast.
answered it.
And the only, of course, we can use but is a coordinating conjunction, not a subordinating part. But
Yes.
in this case,
Different point,
or
Mister.
although. Very good.
You can also use while at the start.
Yeah,
While most animals.
while, very good, because while also shows contradiction. So,
Although most animals.
the ways here. So, Omar, can you read the two sentences for us, please?
Although most animals come in different size, none vary in size as much as dogs. Most animals come in different size, although none vary in size as much as dogs.
So what's the decisive factor on which we decide which sentence or which clause goes first? It depends on what you want to emphasize more.
Yes.
You understand, boys? So
Mr. Omar.
let's go back to Saud Adil. Saud Adil.
Mister, 1 minute and come back.
Saud love. Saud.
Fruit.
No, we've lost Saud. So let's go back to Naif. Naif.
Now, if you say he goes.
Okay, then I'm going to go to Mu'taz. Mu'taz, can you unmute yourself?
Mister, when is my turn? It's gonna,
You're after
when is my
Mu'taz,
turn?
Hamad. You're after Mu'taz.
Mu'taz.
Hamad, your turn, love.
Yes.
Hamad, talk to us.
Number 2.
Yes.
We spent most of our vacations at the lake. We like to fish. Because we like to fish.
Very good. I love you, Hamad. I love you. So what's the relationship between the two clauses here?
Why did they spend most of their vacation at the lake? Because they like to fish.
So the relationship is cause and effect relationship, right?
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Okay, let's move on to Muhammad Al-Jibreen. Muhammad Jibreen.
Muhammad Jibreen.
Mic is not working. Okay. Then move to Faisal Saleh. Have you sorted out your problem, Faisal, yet?
Faisal not here also.
Okay, so let's move on to Saud, if you can write for us. Saud, if you boys can write on the chat, everyone, if you want to answer the question, number 3, write on the chat box.
Do you write, Mister?
Yeah, you can write now. I'm waiting for you.
But, okay.
Hello.
Yes, Mu'taz. Can you have a go with number 3, please?
Okay. The skirt is too long. We will hem it.
Omar, we can't use so or but because we don't want one of the fanboys.
No. Yes, I know.
Okay, Amor. Yes, Mu'taz. The skirt is too long. We will
What
hem
does hem?
it. You know what's hem?
No. What does it mean?
You know, when you fold the edges, when you fold the edge of the dress so that you can make it so shorter.
Can I repeat it, Mister? I didn't hear you.
The skirt is too long, we will hem it. Hem means to fold the edge so that you can make it shorter. Can you hear me?
Like sew. It's like you sew it so that it's short becomes shorter. So when you have jeans that are too long, you can fold them in and then sew them or hem them.
Can you hear me now, Mu'taz?
Yes.
Yes, Habib. Yes, Habib. What's the relationship between the two sentences?
Mr. I know, Mr.
Mu'taz, we've lost Mu'taz, right? Yes, Amouri.
No.
You're still thinking.
Yes.
So let me go to the chat for a minute so that I can see what people
Okay.
have to say. While are they contradictory?
Why, Mr.? Why the script is too long?
While
Sir, I have the answer. I have the answer.
while signals a contradiction, Omar.
Mr. I have answer.
I have
Can't
the
be,
answer. I
Mr.
said
Write in the chat and or wait for your turn. So I'm gonna have to move to where did we stop with the turn?
Mister, I didn't answer for last 10 questions.
Because now
Yes, Aziz, because you weren't here. Yes, Aziz, you can answer.
I were here.
Yes, Yahya, you're right, Yahya. But
Thank
we can't use so, Muhammad Jibreel. We can't use so because the question asks us to use subordinate clause. Not
Can I say the answer? Can I say
Can
the
I
answer?
answer?
yes.
Yes.
I said
Yes,
first.
Aziz.
And.
No, we can't use
We
and.
can't
No,
use
we can't.
When, Mr. When?
coordinated.
No, we can't.
Yes, Omar, you can
Mister.
use when. Yeah, the context can afford.
Mr. Can I say the answer? When because the skirt is too long,
It's
we will
okay.
limit.
When,
Yes,
yes.
Omar. You're right, Omar. So let's quickly check the answers.
Although,
How comes it will be when?
When-
It can. It can be one.
can, yes.
For conjunctive. We call it conjunctive.
Ew.
Come on, man. So number three. Yes, because like Yahya and some of you guys said, and Omar, you are also right. Okay. So, let's move back to Hamad.
Yes.
Hamad. can you answer
Combine each pair of sentences by using a supercoordinating conjunction to turn one of the sentences into a supercoordinating. The wild first started, someone had left a campfire burning. When the wildfire started, when someone had left a campfire burning.
When? I think when works. There.
when someone had left
Yeah.
yeah Hamad, it was.
Yes, yes.
I have another one. I have another one, Mr. I have another one.
Yeah.
Yes,
Because someone had lit a campfire, the wildfire, because
yes,
someone
it can be a
had.
cause and effect. Very good also, Yahya. Very good. Yes. Any other ideas?
Me, Abdulaziz.
Yes, Aziz.
Someone had left a campfire burning, so the wildfire started.
So, Aziz, you
So is from the fanboys.
Okay, boys. So,
Okay, I do fanboys. What's the problem?
No, we can't.
We
use
need
that.
the supporting
look at
conjunction.
the question.
Okay.
What does the question ask you to do, Aziz?
I see.
Yeah, right. Thank you, Aziz. Next. Who's next? We have Omar. Omar. Number two.
This water is not safe for drinking. It can be used to water plants.
Okay.
Since the water is not
Yes, I love
safe
you.
for
I love
drinking,
you.
it can be used to water plants.
Very
And I have
good.
another.
Very good, Amouri. That's a very good answer. You know what?
And when, Mister,
Since
it
means
can be
bima anna. The water
Yes.
is not safe for drinking. It can be used to water. But this is kind of contradiction, Omar.
Yes.
This is not a cause and effect relationship here, right?
I have a cause and effect.
So there is a contradiction here, Amouri.
When, Mister, and we can put when, Mister. When the water.
No. When cannot be used here because it's not a time. Because when is a time conjunction.
I have an answer.
Yes.
Because this water is not safe for drinking, it can be used to water plants.
Because because actually, I don't feel like it is a cause and effect relationship here.
If Mr. If
Contradiction, contrast, contrast.
Mr. If
If
the water
same with drinking, it can be used. Okay, it is okay, kind of okay here. But I would say, although it's better, because this is contradiction here. All right. So let's
yeah.
number.
Oh, sweet.
Wow, would have worked with that too. Wow, this
Yeah.
water.
Yeah. All right.
The second one is easy.
Muhammad Jibreen, can you join us?
no,
Can you join us?
not here for Saleh.
Saud Adil, can you join us?
Not here, Saud Adil.
Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to end it here because this is
Finally.
the end of our time.
Finally, why are you a bully, Abdulaziz?
Not bully because the class ended
You're criticizing.
Class.
the class ended before 20
I'm
minutes.
so disappointed with Aziz because he is such a
Wallah, Mr. Wallah, I enjoy the class, but we have to go to break.
too much
You're
problem
You're criticizing.
with you today.
You're
You
criticizing.
are
the
at
class.
home. You are at home. You are at home.
That's really a letdown, right, Mu'taz? This is a
Yes.
really letdown.
You're
I'm
criticizing
just
the
joking,
team.
Aziz. I'm just joking. Thank you,
Thank you,
guys.
Mr. The class was
I love you
wonderful.
all.
Thank you, Mr.